Next question. A kite in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? Figure has been drawn there and it is a square ABCD and an isosceles triangle CEF. The kite is made up of 3 different colors. So we have triangle ABD is in one shade and next triangle BCD is in another shade and the isosceles triangle CEF with another shade. So we can find how much paper of each shade has been used to make the kite. Hope that question is clear. Children, as you know that diagonals of a square are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Also, the diagonals of a square are equal. We can use this property over here. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other means angle AOB equal to AOD equal to BOC equal to COD equal to 90 degree. Similarly, AO equal to CO equal to 32 upon 2, that is 16 centimeter. Similarly, BO equal to DO is also 16 centimeter. Now, the square is divided into two triangles of two right-angled triangles of equal area. So, we can write down, now we have right-angled triangle, two triangles, triangle ABD equal to triangle BCD, that is of 90 degree right-angled triangle. Both are right-angled triangles. And one isosceles triangle, that is triangle CEF. So first we have to find area of triangle ABD, that is the paper used for shade 1. Paper used for shade 1, that is area of triangle ABD equal to half base into height. That is here base half into BD into AO. Substituting the value, half into BD is 32 into AO is 16. 16 16s are 256 centimeter square. So, paper used for shade 1 equal to paper used for shade 2 equal to 256 centimeter square. Now we have to find the paper used for shade 3, that is paper used for shade 3 equal to area of isosceles triangle CEF. We have that base equal to 8 centimeter and the equal side equal to 6 centimeter. Area equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S equal to 8 plus 6 plus 6 upon 2 equal to 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeter. Substitute the value over here. 10 into 10 minus 8 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6, which gives square root of 10 into 2 into 4 into 4 equal to 2 into 5 into 2 into 4 into 4. That will give 4 into 2 into root 5 equal to 8 root 5 centimeter square. Hence, paper used for each shade is, for the triangles or for shade 1 and 2 is same, it is equal to 256 centimeter square, and for the shade 3 paper used is 8 root 5 centimeter square. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.